quick little bun. Fastest bun in America. Okay. I'm settling for the bun phase until I find something else to do to my hair. Hey y'all babes, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today we got to do something to this hair. A little quick bun. Yeah, like 5 minutes. 5 minutes tops. Listen to it. Don't know what you're doing, girl. Just act like you're doing a makeup.
Why you love me? You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have.
Take your scrunchie like this. Not one of them. Not one of them tight scrunchies. And then look at just don't put it all the way through. Cause we about to put on edge control, gel, whatever gets your hair slick, baby. That's why we didn't do our bun tight, cause we just pulled it back out the way.
Oh, yeah.
Pull my edges out.
Me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
Don't take our hard bristle brush.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Take our bun out, cause it's in the way. And right here is where you're gonna adjust your hair along you want it. I'm gonna do mine right, not too far up top, and not too far down. We're gonna take our scrunchie again. Holding everything together. I do it tight twice and then I'll wrap it. Take your hair, wrap it around. Boom. And then position it. And do your edges, girl. If you want edges, of course.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know why you
You can go take a flutter and do your baby hair fluffy if you want them fluffy, and just do exactly what I did. Put a little bit of gel or edge control on the tip, not your whole edge, and just smooth it up. And this way, the ends of your hair ain't breaking off. Your scrunchie ain't too tight. You ain't got a little piece y'all know what I'm talking about on the black scrunchies where it pull on your hair out. That little piece right there, you ain't got none of that. So you ain't stressing your hair out. You ain't doing too much. My hair is greasy from when I put grease in it. I just had to pull it on for about 2 weeks ago. I'm settling for the bun phase until I find something else to do to my hair. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more from me. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on my next video, babes.